Every AI model you use was built on someone else's words. That's not a metaphor. It's the literal engineering reality, and it's the part of AI most people never examine. Here's what most explainers skip. When companies like OpenAI, Google, or Meta build a large language model, the first step isn't writing clever algorithms. It's assembling a dataset. We're talking trillions of words scraped from the open web. News articles, Reddit threads, GitHub repositories, digitized books, Wikipedia, academic papers, forum posts. Common Crawl alone, one of the most widely used sources, contains petabytes of raw web text from billions of pages. That's the raw material. The model learns language, facts, reasoning patterns, and unfortunately also errors and biases, all from this corpus. But raw web text is messy. So before training begins, teams run extensive cleaning pipelines. Duplicate pages get removed. Toxic or explicit content gets filtered. Quality scoring algorithms try to separate useful text from SEO spam, auto-generated filler, and broken HTML. Think of it like refining ore. The quality of what survives this process directly shapes what the model knows and how it behaves. Garbage in, garbage out. But at a scale where a single filtering decision can erase entire languages or domains from the model's understanding. And that's where composition becomes critical. If 95% of your training data is in English, the model will be weaker in Korean or Swahili. If medical literature is underrepresented, the model's clinical reasoning suffers. The dataset is a mirror. It reflects whatever was included and distorts whatever was left out. Then there's the legal question no one has fully resolved. Most of this data was scraped without explicit consent from the people who wrote it. Authors, journalists, developers, artists, their work was collected at scale because it was publicly accessible, not because they agreed to it. Courts in the US and EU are still working through whether this constitutes fair use or infringement, and the outcomes will reshape the entire industry. Finally, data integrity itself is a security surface. Researchers have demonstrated that poisoned data, deliberately corrupted examples injected into training sets, can embed persistent biases or exploitable vulnerabilities into a finished model. The training data isn't just an input, it's a trust boundary. So when you evaluate any AI system, the first question worth asking isn't how big the model is. It's what was it trained on and who decided. If that was useful, subscribe. New Explainer every week. I'm Ariella.